Welcome, dear children. Subject Mathematics Standard 7th. Today we will study 12th chapter Perimeter and Area. Part 9. Let's see practice set 47, question number 3 and 5. See question number 3. A matchbox is 4 cm long, 25 cm broad and 1.5 cm in height. Its outer sides are to be covered exactly with craft paper. How much paper will be required to do so? Now students, here the length, breadth and height of a matchbox is given. What you have to find out is you have to find out what exactly craft paper will be required to cover that matchbox. So see how you will do over here. First of all, we will write down what is given in your question. Here the length of matchbox. The length of matchbox is 4 cm. Clear? Breadth. Breadth of matchbox is, that is 2.5 cm. Broad means breadth. And what is the height? Height of matchbox is 1.5 cm. Clear? Now we have to use the formula, that is total surface area. Now matchbox, what is the shape of the matchbox? The shape of the matchbox is rectangle, means you have to use the formula of total surface area of a cuboid. Clear? And length, breadth and height is given, means you will use the formula for finding the total surface area of a cuboid. So that is 2 bracket length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. Clear? So 2 bracket, our length is 4, breadth is 2.5 plus our breadth is 2.5, our height is 1.5. Clear? Then plus our height is 2.5 and breadth is 1.5. So what you will do first? First you will multiply this. Clear? So 2 bracket 4 multiply by 2.5. What you will get? You will get, that is 10. Then 2.5 multiply by 1.5. You will get 3.75. And 2.5 multiply by 1.5. You will get 6. Now what you have to do? You have to add this. So 2 multiply. So if you will add 10 plus 3.75 plus 6, what you will get? You will get 19.37. So 19.37 multiply by 2, what you will get? You will get 39.50 square centimeter. Clear? So what is the craft paper exactly needed to cover the matchbox? That is 39.50 square centimeter. Clear? So here we will write down, therefore craft paper of 39.5 square centimeter is required. Clear? Question number 5. An open box of length 1.5 meter, breadth 1 meter and height 1 meter is to be made for use on a trolley for carrying garden waste. How much sheet of metal will be required to make this box? The inside and outside surface of the box is to be painted with rust-proof paint at a rate of 150 rupees per square meter. How much will it cost to paint the box? Now student, what is given? Now here length, breadth and height of a open box is given. Clear? What you have to do? You have to find out how much metal sheet will be required to make this box. Clear? Now the box is your open box. Clear? Here it is given open box. Clear? The box is made to use to carry a garden waste. Clear? So we have to make an open box. Understood? And then we have to find out, we have to paint the box from inside as well as the outside. So we have to find out the cost of painting. The rate of painting is given, that is 150 rupees per square meter. Understood? So see how you will going to find out. First of all, what you will do. Now here the given box is our open box. So what you will do is area of 6 surfaces minus area of top surfaces. Clear everyone? Here our box is open box, so we will not get the upper this one length and breadth. Clear? You will not take the upper length and breadth. Means what will be your formula is, now your formula will be total surface area. So here your formula will be length into breadth. Clear? You will get only the one side of length and breadth. Clear? One side of a box, length and breadth. Then plus what you will do here, you will get 2 into breadth multiply by height plus 2 into length multiply by breadth. Clear? All the breadth and height you will take the 2, length and breadth also you will take the 2 sides, but our box is open, so you will get only the one side of length and breadth. Clear? Now write down what is your length. This is your length, 1 meter is your breadth, again 1 meter is your height. Understood? So our length is 1.5, our breadth is 1, plus 2 will come as it is, breadth is 1, height is 1, plus again 2 will come as it is, length is 1.5 and our breadth is 1. So first multiply it. Clear? So 1.5 multiply by 1, you will get 1.5, plus 2 multiply by 1 you will get 2, plus 2 multiply by 1.5 multiply by 1, what you will get here, you will get that is 3. Now add this. So what you will get that is 6.5 square meter. Clear? So this is the total surface area of your box. Understood? So how much metal sheet is required to make that box? That is 6.5 square meter. Clear? So here we will write down therefore 6.5 square meter metal sheet will be required to make this box. Clear everyone? Now what we have to find out further? Now we have to find out the cost of painting. Understood? So let's see how you will going to find out the cost of painting. We have to paint the inner and outer side. So here we will write down first inner and outer both sides are to be painted. Clear? We have to paint both the side, inner and outer. So how you will going to find out? Now here the rate of painting is given, that is rate of painting is given, that is rupees 150 square, that is meter. Clear? Understood? Now we have to find out the cost of painting. Clear? The cost of painting we have to find out. So how you will going to find out the cost of painting? That is, you have to take total surface area. TSA means total surface area inside, as well as you have to take the outside part. Clear? So the total surface area of inside and outside is 6.5. Clear? Plus 6.5. This one is inner and outer surface area. Understood? This we have to multiply with 150, means you have to multiply with your rate. Clear? So 6.5 plus 6.5, what you will get? You will get that is 13. So 13 multiply by 150. Clear? So 13 multiply by 150. What you will get? You will get that is rupees 1950. Clear? So what is the cost of printing? That is 1950. Clear? So therefore the cost of printing is rupees 1950. Clear? Thank you.